The garlic aioli was phenomenal. They served this like garlic aioli with the fries. They were really good. We wish we would have had a different waitress. The waitress wasn't phenomenal. But I think if we would have had a different waitress, it would have been better. She wasn't the nicest. I don't think if it was, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was our race, if she just didn't like our vibe. I don't know her deal. But it was really fun. It was good. Good place. Chantell had a good time. It's your birthday. How old are you? 26? 26? 26? Were you 26?
Yeah.
Yes. She's turning 26 tomorrow. And did you have a good time, Chantell?
I did. Thank you for coming.
Yes, of course. I will post pictures so you guys can see them. They bought some liqueur, some fancy liqueur. King makes this, I can't give away his secret, but he makes this super yummy drink. It's delicious. And Brianna's got shots and Ciroc apple. But King's about to make this drink and it's so good. So good. So good. Honey, did you have fun at dinner? Did you like it? Would you go again?
Would I go waiter?
Okay, different waiter, but if you went again, would you go again?
Listen.
Babe, don't.
Yes, I came from poverty. Me too. One year, like once a year.
Yeah?
Once a year.
Once a year.
Yeah. And don't get pop because it gets kids meal pop.
Kids meal pop.
It's like this big.
It was what, an 8 ounce?
Yeah.
For like $7.
Well, you can go to the corner
But
store.
definitely go. What did you say on a special occasion?
Yes.
Special occasion.
Like, I think like a date night or like a girl's.
Yeah. Well, not date night, clearly, because our husbands obviously don't like that. But we could do date night. I mean, girls' night. Girls' night would be fun. I think we should go again for breakfast. So their breakfast menus sound phenomenal. Honey, he like thrives with King because King and him. So the King is Honey's like best friend from. How old were they? How old were you guys when you met? You and Honey?
Me?
Freaking babies.
Since we came out the nutsack.
Oh my god.
She edited that shit.
No, I'm gonna put that in there so they can know who the King is. So they've known each other basically since they were like pee-wees, okay? And now they're in their late 20s. So they're BFF. So the King's wife, Chantell.
Yeah.
There we go, that's how we're introducing. Really good restaurant. If you guys have one near you. So before, Restoration Hardware was in, it's called the Galleria here in Minneapolis. Well, it's in Edina, Minnesota. So it was inside of a building and they like took it out. I think they expanded Pottery Barn that was next to it, took that out, built a Restoration Hardware, and then I think Pottery Barn just expanded their store, and then Restoration Hardware has their own store, their own like building. It looks like a house. It's so cute. But I would go again. I would go again. Just not with my husband. Chris. Chris is the, I just say husband of Brianna, which is Brianna. Brianna is Chantell's sister.
Hey guys,
This
follow
is
me
Chris.
on Instagram, Ruby the 335i.
Is that's car stuff, right?
Yeah,
Cars.
RUBYTHE 335i.
There you go.
There you go.
If you like car stuff, go follow Chris. Hey. Since I was just talking to Brianna about what I was wearing on my lips, I'm gonna show you guys. Go. In 1.5, KKW Beauty 1.5. Then I have on KKW Beauty's lipstick in Love. I just looked because Brianna was interested in, they don't have it anymore. She doesn't sell her wedding collection anymore, so that sucks, but that's the swatch on my hand. There we go. It's like a pinky peach nude. And my all-time favorite lip gloss is NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. All-time favorite. So, get you some. Chantell changed in her robe. She's super excited about life.